Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Here we discuss about the graph-based multi-view clustering. Next we discuss about the domain introduction. Data mining. Data mining is the process of sorting through large data sets to identify patterns and establish relationships to solve problems through data analysis. Data mining tools allow enterprises to predict future trends. Next, we discuss about the abstract. Multi-view graph-based clustering aims to provide clustering solution to multi-view data. Multi-view graph-based clustering methods typically find a fusion graph across the input graph all view first, and then employ additional clustering algorithm and this fusion graph in order to produce the final cluster. Two tools are using MOA and Orange. Graph-based multi-view clustering approach first generate a graph for each view and then wedge each graph to build a unified representation for k-means to produce the final cluster, and the multi-view fusion technique can automatically weight each data graphic matrix to derive unified graph matrix. Next we discuss about the data flow diagram. First process is load. User select the dataset and view load the database. In this datasets the attribute are name, message, etc. Datasets only we want to find the data to be clustering, and the next process is pre-processing. The pre-processing here, suppose dataset loading with after any data placement is to be null or unstructured data or unwanted data is to be removed, and the two tools are using MOA and Orange tool. Tools using this clustering process. Clustering is a group of particular data set of objects based on their characteristics, aggregating them according to their similarities. Clustering groups the data that is not predefined. By using this technique we can identify dense the space region in object space. Clustering algorithm is best for grouping the data. MOE is the most popular open source framework for data stream mining with a very active growing community. It includes a clustering machine algorithm and tools for evaluation. In article dataset we are using the clustering concept. It will used to split the repeated month of particular dataset. K-means clustering is type of unsupervised learning which is used to when you have unlabeled data. The goal of this algorithm to find groups is the data with the number of groups represented by the variable k. The result will be displayed in visualization and generated by the graph. Orange tool using clustering process. K-means algorithm. Orange is a open source data visualization machine algorithm and data mining toolkit. It features a visual programming front end for explorative data analysis and interactive data visualization. Clustering algorithm is best for grouping the data. In article dataset we are using the clustering concept. It will used to split the repeated month of the particular dataset. K-means clustering is a type of unsupervised learning which is used when you have unlabeled data. The goal of this algorithm is to find groups in the data with the number of groups represented by the variable k. The result k will be displayed in the visualization and generated by the graph. Finally, display the overall performance result generated presented based on the clustering in article data. The report which contains dynamically distributed performance analysis in article dataset. It will be displayed in the comparison group of graph of MOA tool and Orange tool. Next we discuss about the running process. First step is home page. First process is load the data, select the articles and then view the data. Go to next page. Next process is pre-processing. Pre-processing is unwanted data is to be removed. Next process is start the MOA tool. MOA tool and Orange tool performance. First of all, MOA tool using the k-means clustering process. The MOA tool is working in a k-means clustering process. First of all, split the process and after go to the clustering. Next is to split the clustering process. After go to the displayed in the graph. Next to go to the orange tool. Start the orange tool process. The orange tool window is open. The orange tool working is a k-means clustering process. K-means working. The article datasets similar to the publication and year. Difference to the month. Difference month is will be k-means clustering processes will be displayed. And then 9 months clustering process will be displayed. And then finally we will display it in the graph. Finally performance tool performance result. That's all.